We're gonna start it with a very basic problem. Problem number 1. Find the differentiation and integration of f of x equals to summation of n factorial times x to the n. If this is f of x, what will be the differentiation and integration of this equation? So first, to take differentiation, we're going to take derivative on both sides to have f prime of x equals to summation of n factorial times n into x to the n minus 1. Look, n factorial behave as a constant. It is like 2 into x to the n. So put n factorial as it is. Differentiation of x to the n is n into x to the n minus 1. It is like x squared. So derivative of x squared is 2x to the 2 minus 1. We take differentiation on both sides. On the left I have f prime of x, which is the notation of the differentiation. On the right side I got n factorial into n into x to the n minus 1. Now to take integration on both sides. Just take integration on both sides to have integral of f of x dx equals to summation of n factorial times x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus constant c. Don't forget plus constant c. It is for the indefinite integral. So we took integration on the left side to have integral of f of x dx. Integration of the right side will be n factorial times x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. Put n factorial as it is, which is a constant. Integration of x to the n is x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. It is like x to the 2. Integration of x to the 2 is x to the 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. And then plus constant. So here we got the differentiation of this equation, and this is the integration. That's what the question asks, that find the differentiation and integration of f of x, which is summation of n factorial times x to the n.